Okay, when I started my day, the day was below previous day's high, and the hourly chart was looking bearish. So in my mind, I was trying to catch it short, and I did have some good setups. I was trying to hold too long, and I missed some good 2 to 1, 3 to 1 returns. I want to make sure I understand that. I think holding it longer is a great idea, but it's not always the best for every market. And determining if that market can be held or not is tricky. But right here, previous day's level, right here was the high. And you could see we came in, it was a red candle underneath. And then the hourly chart was looking like that. It was looking real bearish. Right here, it was all this down. Now we've been bouncing since the markets opened, but it still was, my idea was to go short. And so I did a lot of shorting, and I had a lot of losses because I was determined to short it. Now I want to talk about those losses. So you know why I was short biased? I didn't snap out of it, couldn't snap out of it, and maybe I shouldn't have snapped out of it and stayed short. But I hit my daily maximum loss per account, which was 500, and I just don't want to lose anymore, so I stopped trading with discretion. I did slip into DCA as revenge trading. I feel that emotion, that old raw, primitive, untamed, immature flesh wanting to strike back and get revenge. So yeah, I did do some of that, and it actually worked, which is not a good thing. So I'm quitting the DCA. I'm getting back to risk management trades, and I want to get better. So why did I take so many losses today when I saw the market was going down? When and where could I have stopped trading? Because I had like 8 in a row losses. It was crazy. Check it out, 8 in a row. And I had trend lines on the 500 tick. I know the 500 tick can, chop around a lot more, and I went to the 2000 and I started seeing it was a better setup. But if you look at all these trend line breaks I was looking for, it just had the worst possible pattern for what I was trying to do. It was the bottom, still is the bottom, I think, yeah, for the day. And I was short, and I think I had some success, right here. I got in. I guess I got it, getting in at the bottom. That's what we're always afraid of, isn't it? When we're looking at a trend moving like this, you just want to jump in. You see so many places where red takes out green, and you could just jump in and it would keep going. Well, and what we're afraid of when that happens, it's moving so fast, is that we're going to get it at the bottom like this, right? So all these shorts just did not work out. Just did not work out. Break a trend line, try to short, went back up higher than the pivot. You can see it was grinding higher and higher and higher and higher, and it just finally I hit $500 loss in this account right here. But it was quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and some trades over here. 7, 8 losses in a row. So 8 losses in a row. And that's what put me on tilt, and I started DCA trading right over here on this account to make some back, and I did make some back. But again, I'm going against my better senses. I don't want to trade with DCA. I want to stick to this, and I want to get better at this, which is stop trading if you know you're getting into a rut. But I did stop trading. I stopped trading at $500 loss on it. No, I didn't really stop trading. I continued to, I festered into this bad trading stuff that I used to do that doesn't really get you anywhere. So, on one hand, and this is a good thing, understanding that there is a limit. And if this was real money, I certainly would not have, I would never DCA my own money or real money. But these accounts, to pass these accounts, it's very tempting to do that. It's what I had been doing, and now I got to get out of it. So right here, all these trades, 8 trades, two micros each, finally hit me. And last night I had $100 of it. So really I only lost $400 today. All together for one account, $500. So you can lose up to $2,500. So it gives you 5 good tries, if you keep it that way. 5 good tries per 50K account. And this try did not work. when I say try, it was eight trades right here and a whole bunch last night, and up to $500, I'm willing to keep trading. Oh, that's what I mean by one try. I can trade as many times as I want until I hit that $500 limit, and that's my one try. And then I got to stop in that account for the day because I want to do 5 tries. I get $500 limits to try to do something good with that. But, it's real tough to figure out the markets and which direction they're going to go. But, you do the best you can with the day chart and then, the hour chart. And it did look bearish. And everybody would say, yeah, that's bearish. It's under, a lot of people would agree, even especially those that made a lot of money right over here. I just turned it on a little bit too late because I woke up and it was already way down here and is picking up momentum when I sat down and I got in at the bottom. That's all there is to it. Now, I could have realized that, but, and waited for a bigger pullback. I started trading that. I said, I immediately went into trend line mode. I said, okay, I think this is going to be a bearish day. So I'm just going to sell broken trend lines that come down and keep selling. So I tried that one. It went up over the top, stopped me out. Another trend line break. Right. We're here. I sold. Trend line break, it went right over the top. Tried a trend line break right here. Boom, that looks good. And right over the top. And I could have gotten something good here. Some of these times I could have gotten 40, 50, 30, 40, $50. And if I was taking those small profits and trying these trend line breaks, I probably would, it'd be a different story. But my mind was on hold it as long as you can. So I just definitely need to make sure that I understand where I went wrong. Now take a look at the 15-minute chart even. I mean, this is what the day was looking like. 15-minute, it's trending down. Look at that. Everything's below the moving averages, okay? Coming down to an uptrending, you get this mix, this pinch that it's still above the 200, so we can definitely turn around. But we have to follow the immediate trend here is down. And before it started coming up and fighting its way up and all this business, it was looking bearish like that right there. Even right here on this, when it started to turn right here like this, when it started to roll back down, I said, yeah. The 8's below the 20, the 20's below the 50. Everything's trending down. It looks like it's going to roll down right here, right? Looking for trend line breaks. That was my theory. And I just want to understand that even if I'm on the right path and my thinking was correct, what could I have done different? Could I have stopped trading sooner? Could I have lost less money? Could I have recognized where I was headed sooner? And that's the thing. And I probably can if this continues to give me experience. And I think I was right up into this 8 tries in a row kind of thing to go long, because at some point you have to realize, hey, this is not working. Well, I did realize that when I hit my $500 maximum loss on the day for that account. Some trades I own, one trade I can lose 500 on a different account, but on this account I can trade as much as I want as long as I don't lose more than 500. $500 twice in one day is my maximum day. I have to stop trading for the day on all accounts if I lose $1,000. So, I stopped on this account and lost 500 and fell back into dollar cost averaging for a little bit there, but I'm done trading, it looks like, for the day, and I've recorded my loss fairly in the records. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, my discretionary account right here shows the loss for today right here, that big red candle down. But fortunately, we're still up a couple thousand. This is fairly portraying my trading strategy under discretion, under stop loss risk management, and careful strategies and setups and stuff like that. Not just letting a dollar cost averaging trade run wild. I'm not doing that with this discretionary trading here. So yeah, I'll take the loss. It's my biggest loss since I've been doing this, which, I'm interested to see, what the stats are here for a second. All right, checking this out carefully here. Yep, there it is. There's my largest losing day. That's today. Right there. Largest losing day is going to be today, unfortunately. Largest profitable day is bigger, however. That's always good. Average losing day P&L, average winning day P&L. Ooh. Long as I'm winning more. Okay, what do we got over here? We got a lot of commissions because I'm trading a lot of micros. I mean, almost 25% of my revenue goes to commission. For that $2,000 profitable, $500 commission so far. Wow. Okay, average winning trade 43, average losing trade 45. Okay, that's not bad. As long as I'm winning more, holding time, holding the winners 18 minutes, holding the losers 6 minutes. Okay, I like that. I like that. It needs improvement. I don't know what my percentage of winning is here, but we need some improvement. Looks like my maximum losers are 10 in a row. The maximum winners is 14 in a row. That's amazing. So that's where we're at today. I'll see you in the next video. Stick to your rules. Peace.